I'm sure we've all seen these paintings of WLOP where you see all these pieces of jewelry and they look really good, but then as soon as you zoom in, you see that there's actually a strange style that it really gives implication of jewelry, but the details are in a very specific style. So today we're just gonna take a look at how to paint jewelry like WLOP and try and replicate that. So the process is actually very simple. Jewelry, generally, the way you do metals is you start with blocking in the shapes with a hard round brush. You put in the shapes with hard round brush and you choose a darker color. Once you have the general shape in place with a dark color, you can start putting in the highlights with the really bright color to shape the different details of it. And it doesn't have to be very accurate. All you need to do is think about the shapes that you want. For example, in this case, the necklace has a lot of these round pieces or circular pieces. So you think about the light and how it would reflect off the jewelry, and you shape the details by just using a hard round brush with the highlights. Once you add those details in, you gotta also remember that reflective surfaces will also reflect the different colors from the environment. So you got to keep that in mind, and WLOP does that very well by incorporating these colors into the piece. So think about it, in this case, we have the blue environment, we have the red around it, and the different parts. So you can incorporate those into the jewelry and add those pieces in there. So you can really see then once you have those pieces in, how beautiful it looks. So when you zoom in, it might seem very messy, but when you zoom out, it works really nice.